have. We will do whatever we have. So good evening and happy Onam, everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Saija Cherer and I am one of the co-chairs for the entertainment committee this year along with Sani Jubin. You saw Sani running around somewhere there. And so she's not able to be here. She's busy coordinating this thing. So since I am part of the entertainment committee, I thought let's put some fun and humor into this photo rather than having a simple rundown of a thank you list. So bear with me, sit back, relax and enjoy while we are preparing the song list as well. I promise that this will be shorter than the time you took to finish your pie song. Alright, so let's start. First of all, let me thank the Kairali coordinators and volunteers. You saw how the program went today. What an awesome, flawless execution. Yes, they deserve a big round of applause. So they worked so hard and round the clock, day and night, they worked so hard to make sure that everything goes so smooth and it did. And thank you guys for doing that. So thank you guys. Next I have is the food committee. They are the heroes for every Onam, the food committee. Let's be honest. Onam Sadhya is the reason most of us, or some of us, are here today. So, and the Kairali of Baltimore food committee team also has some golden rule that they have, like, the tables should be all set, nice and clean. The food should be served in the varanda, nice and laid out. But has anybody seen when people eat, and especially the kids as they eat, it looks like a chipotle bowl. The pickle and the sambar and the rice and papadam, everything mixed together. So, but that we cannot help, but our food committee did an awesome job coordinating and maintaining and making sure that the things are all served properly. Really thank you, the food committee, for doing that. And also the food was delicious. Many people were asking where the food was catered from. It came from Essence Caterers. So thank you, Essence, for the food today. Next is a big shout out to our performers. You saw our performance today. The what and energy they have. The dancers and the singers, they worked so hard that probably their neighbors even know the songs and the dance steps by now. And not only that, they set the bar so high that Netflix is going to stream Kairali of Baltimore Got Talent next year. Alright. So, thank you performers. Also, thank you Sharat and Elizabeth for joining our singers for a lively concert style ending. We definitely needed that today after the Sadhya. And of course to our Mahabali, where did Mahabali go? He's right here. Okay, I can see. So Mahabali, I don't know what to say. He drove his motorbike all the way from Kerala to here and not getting stuck in the immigration. I'm glad that Mahabali made it in time. Thank you, Mahabali. And our decoration team definitely deserves an applause too. They transformed this whole place into a mini Kerala. The personal Mullapu touch, oh my God. Where do you find this personal Mullapu being handed over when you walk in? Oh my goodness. So personal Mullapu, the Pookalam, the photo booth. I saw many of us were tempted to even take our matrimonial profile picture in front of our Pookalam. So it was really beautiful. Next, our sponsors, our grand sponsors, Dr. Sanji Jose, our diamond sponsor, Dr. Babu Stephen, Mr. Thomas Alexander as the team sponsor, and how can I forget the Malabar Gold today for all the gold coins in the raffles today. So thank you for your support and your presence today. Without you, this program would have been like Python without sugar. It's still good, but not as good. So, and also we also thank our other sponsors, all our other sponsors that are always there to support us when we need them. You are like the coconut in our chutneys. Thank you guys. To our technical team and GG Live Productions, thank you for making sure the light, the sound, the LED work perfectly. I have been to programs where the mic only works when you say check, check, hello, hello, and then, after that, no. Like today you saw, it was flawless, top notch. So thank you guys, the technical team and the GG Live Productions. To our photographers, you guys are dangerous. I saw you running around all the places and capturing every little moment of this event. Whether it is the programs here, or whether it is the Satya, or whether it is the Tiwadra out there, every little details has been captured. Including, I even saw somebody taking a picture of an auntie keeping some banana chips in her handbag. So you'll be coming in WhatsApp soon, so watch out. So, they were busy today. So thank you guys, the photographers. A warm thanks to our special guest, Ms. Tess Michaels, for joining us today. Your insight, your wisdom, your motivation, and your experience are all an eye-opener for us and for our younger generation. Thank you, Tess. Thank you for taking the time to be here with us today. Also, we want to thank the Howard High School for letting us bring Kerala into these walls. Don't worry, Howard High School. We'll be taking those banana leaves with us when we leave. So thank you, Howard High. And finally, for you, the audience, thank you for clapping, for laughing, for cheering, and for making this event truly special. And we look forward to you being on the stage and down here up front when the next set of songs comes to cheer our singers even further. Without you, today's program would have been like a dress rehearsal and a lot of Python left over. So thank you guys for being here. So I think I covered everyone. I might not cover maybe the small groups, but I know they are all folded under the big umbrella cover that I covered. So thank you to all the groups for such a smooth and enjoyable and delicious Onam today. So let's give a big round of applause to all the teams here. So once again, on behalf of the Kyroi of Baltimore, thank you all for and a happy Onam. Be careful. After that, we still have a few more songs coming up. Yeah, a couple of songs. We still have a couple of songs coming up. So stay right there and have a safe drive. I know Cholo plus Python combo is a guaranteed nap. So don't sleep while you're driving. Thank you. Thank you, Sai Cheji.